with bacteria will be high in this group of patients.
हीरालाल कोतारी आपरो क्वेश्चन आंसर आयु पु है कि एक पर्सन अगर डिस्चार्ज हुआ अपनी इन्फेक्ट हुई है कि नहीं चांसेस है पर वो इन्फेक्शन स्प्रेड नहीं हुए तो veggies and fruits should be left untouched for 4 hours. Also, is it necessary to wash them with soda or salt?
No, if you just wash with water also is enough. No need to sanitize fruits. Just wash with water and keep it dry, and then you can 4 hours just keep them open and then you can use them again. Vegetables and fruits both.
We are 3 positive patients at home. Can we cook and eat?
Yeah, you can cook and eat, no problem. All the positives can form one group and they can do activities together.
Mr. Badal Jain, let me know about herd immunity theory going on.
I know only one immunity, so I don't know about third immunity.
No, herd immunity.
Herd immunity, okay. Herd immunity is like the concept is what lot ICMR did a study. They tested all the people for antibodies and they found this was one month back. According to that ICMR study, they picked up randomly people from all the places in the country and they have found out 20% herd immunity has occurred in India. And if the herd immunity becomes 60%, so then the corona will go away. That is the epidemiologist suggestion. So last message we got from ICMR, I know I read it. Probably I don't have data, but 20% was the number of people infected in India at that time. Who were asymptomatic or they didn't know, they had a fever for one day, they had a body aches, and then the antibodies were positive in those group of patients.
Currency notes the spread भी है क्या? ने hypochlorite disease ने किकन दूर रखा है?
Currency, initially there was a lot of debate about fomite transmission. हमें थोड़ा fomite transmission, we all have to come to know that fomites are not important. The most important thing is mask, sanitization, social distancing. For example, yesterday I had a chat with a doctor who is treating 100 patients of COVID under him. And he sees 50 COVID patients in OPD. So I asked him what all the precautions he takes. He says when he's gone to IC rooms, when you see, he maintains full protection PPE and he wears a mask and he wears a hood. But when it comes to outpatient, he wears only mask and hood. He's wearing just scrubs. And the most infection routes again is for eyes, nose and mouth. So if your hand touches, so that if you wear goggles on the face and you have a mask which is 100% protective, you're very unlikely to get coronavirus. So please understand, again I repeat, if you can wear a goggles, good goggles are available now, but that is not necessary for you. So what you need to do is wear mask, and if you go outside, come wash your hand, don't touch your eyes, mouth and nose. That is the most important precaution. And he has already treated more than 200 patients and he says, I'm fine, I'm still didn't get corona. That doesn't mean you go and expose, but these precautions are important.
So, Dr. Uncle, how much ever we try to stay katrupan try karayo, kadi na kadi thodu exposure, thodu contact mein aave yo. At what point is it risky? Matlab 5 minutes exposure.
The viral load. For example, if you have come in contact with a corona patient, if your duration is contact is more than 30 to 45 minutes, then the viral load which you get infected, that determines your symptoms. So for example, 100 virus you get exposed in 15 minutes. In 45 minutes, you get exposed to 1000 virus. So 1000 will multiply in your body very fast, whereas 100 will multiply. Some will may die in going inside, some body immunity will kill 50. So rest of the 50 will multiply, they will die, some of them. But if you're exposed to 1 lakh virus, so that means the duration of exposure is more. And the worst is aerosol spray, aerosol spray, aerosol spray. So somebody is near you, he coughs, he produces aerosols and you inhale this aerosol. So prevent by mask, avoid contact with mouth, nose, eyes.
Okay.
We can share the slides, not a problem for me, but there are videos. I don't know how we will share. So you can do one thing, whoever wants to share, wants the slides, you ask that email ID to you, and I can post these slides to you. I can post the slides to them.
Yeah. So, okay, I will try to take the email ID of everyone. Narendra Gandhi, any precautions in retail counter while counting money? Accept, go digital, no more cash transactions. Pay tax.
See, other important in cash counters, what you're supposed to do, because if you have heavy cash transaction, for example, you have more than 50 cash transactions in a day, please avoid that. What you can do on a table, you can keep a glass shield and keep small holes. The doctor video which I showed, keep the shield around the table, and keep the hand out, collect the cash and keep the cash there. And don't handle the cash more. Every time you take the cash, sanitize your hand, and after taking cash, don't touch your mouth, face, and eyes again. So take the cash, keep it aside, wash your hands. And when the person is in a cash counter, if you're exposed to 50 people who give a cash, so risk of infection is very high. So every 50, you think out of them 10 are corona positive, and each fellow gives 500 virus. So that means you're going to get a full-blown corona. So avoid exposure to these places. Keep a glass shield, probably a 5 foot or 2 foot, where the aerosols will not come. Keep the small holes. They're available now. All these things are easily available. Take the cash, keep it inside, hand wash.
Okay, next question from Hiralal Kotari. Can a discharged person with negative roam around without mask? I guess no.
No, you should not.
So I think Janorepan agar wo hai na positive vein pasu treat hua hai, they should be more careful. They should not be thinking that.
Most important is see, now people who have corona, they are the most important people for the community. Because, for example, somebody is O positive corona or AB positive corona and he has recovered after 28 days. If that patient is willing to donate his plasma and there are facilities available in that city to give the plasma therapy, they'll do extremely well. So, unfortunately, still again, government is not clear. They're not given license to private hospitals to do plasma therapy. But Kurnool Medical College, they have been a center for ICMR trial for plasma therapy. So what they do, the infected person who has recovered, they have a lot of antibodies of this virus. So after 28 days, they remove their plasma and give to people who are in a very sick stage. Like for example, the Satyendra Jain, Health Minister of Delhi, he got this plasma therapy and he recovered. So these people you have to make good friends, and if they're the same blood group, you keep a good relation with them, make them happy, and same group, keep in contact with them. They might be your saviors if you get corona.
From Kumar Shah, next to my house we got positive. I have to go for test, or if symptoms are there only then go for testing.
Next to your house you got positive, be careful. Don't talk to them. Don't exchange food items. Don't play games with them. Be far away from them. That is not necessary that you should get tested. Be watchful for symptoms if you have.
Linesh Jain, if there are senior citizens and small kids at home, and if some of the family members are working and going to office, what precautions to take to avoid to infect senior citizens and kids?
Keep the senior citizens in one room, separate room. Tell them not to come out of the room. Don't interact with them. You go to your office if it's compulsory, because it is necessary also. We can't tell those sit at home. But make sure you don't come in contact with them. Keep them in separate room. Supply food separately. Keep a separate bathroom and toilet. Don't use that bathroom and toilet.
And I guess Linesh, tu ghare aaya putti jo pan precautions lena hai vehenge lena in terms of your clothes, having a bath and exposure and all those.
Whatever hygiene you have to maintain. Yes.
Yes, understood. Thanks.
Any use of doing antibody tests by Thyrocare, etc. Getting an idea if we were previously infected and we escaped asymptomatically.
Yeah, see, I don't know. As a doctor, I didn't get my antibody tested still now. I'm not sure how much benefit you'll have. Okay, if you're positive, antibodies positive, okay, you'll be happy that you got the disease, you came out. If you're negative, probably again, you'll be starting worry, I'm not infected, so anytime I get infected. So there is no role right now to get as a public, there is no role for the testing antibody. There is some role for doctors who wants to operate on a patient to test emergency antibody, because the reports are available within half an hour. If he has antibodies, he can straight away be taken into a procedure No need to wait for 24 hours like corona test takes now. Right now in India, minimum 24 hours. Best scenario 12 hours. So this antibody testing, somebody comes with an heart attack, you do an antibody testing. If his IgM is positive, there is nothing to worry. You just take him to lab, do angioplasty or bypass surgery. It should not be a problem. That's how antibody testing is role is there. For a common public, it's useful, not useful. I don't know.
Is it true that ICMR is coming up with vaccination on 15th August? What kind of vaccine is it? Conventional, BCG, DPT?
So I will show this slide. You will understand that what is the current status of vaccine, and you should not believe. Okay, this is a slide. There's no magic bullet, and there's a combination of drugs we use, multiple antiviral drugs, antiviral immunomodulators, antibody therapies, monoclonal antibodies. As I said, early intervention, people having symptoms, treat them. Hope for an effective and safe vaccine. Don't count on it soon. It's too early to get a vaccine.
How should a person travel to hospital for testing? As if he or she is having symptoms, or how should they travel?
See, most important thing, what I have seen with little experience, some of the corona positive patients who are coming, the person attending, one person let them attend, and he takes all the precautions, sanitize himself, keep a mask, and go to the hospital and take the person who's affected or suspected for corona testing. Don't go 2 to 3 people and expose yourself for this patient also. So it's not inhuman at this point of time that you're not accompanying your best friend, or you're not accompanying your father, one son, father. If they go and they manage, it will be fantastic. No need the whole family to accompany. We should tell them that we're all with you in this time through a video counseling, but don't try whole family to go there and expose yourself and unnecessarily make more problems for yourself.
People in touch with COVID positive can get symptoms in how many days?
We don't know when they can get. What I have seen is, most important thing is, whatever little experience I have, even though I'm not a frontline treatment for COVID, but a lot of my patients got, most of them, they're ignorant. They're telling they're having cough for 1 week. They thought it's normal cough. They took that, they took this, and then when they start breathless, they commit. So what I've seen, one family member is affected. The other family members already has the symptoms at that time. Both of them ignored, and they're getting delayed for the treatment. So this is what is happening. So once they expose, like I said, the duration of contact, he has not taken himself personal hygiene. They can be symptomatic within as fast as 1 week, or probably simultaneously they might be having symptoms. They might be still suppressing those symptoms.
If immunity is good, are there less chances of getting affected? Yes.
Definitely immunity plays a major role here. That's why younger people, kids, when they get corona, they do very well. That's why as you become older, more than 60 years, your immunity comes down to fight this virus. That's why immunity definitely plays a role in this. So how to boost an immunity? This is not a short-term goal, it's a long-term goal. You can't get it in 1 day or 2 days. So whenever in long term, have a healthy food, have a sleep hygiene, have adequate sleep, do exercise regularly. That's how you improve your immunities.
Okay, we have last 10 minutes. Pramod uncle, is it safe to eat outside food at home? Yes, because it is under the risk grading number 1. So you can get food from
outside food. See, I'm telling you, outside food, like Pramod uncle, when there are 2 Wallies at home, what is the necessary for him to have outside food? This is for people who are not having anybody at home. For them, it's okay. So just because I told number 2 risk doesn't mean now I'll not order a Swiggy food in Hyderabad. If I want to cook myself, this is for people where there is no other choice.
Yes.
So better avoid them. Don't have idli subaya idli, Pramod.
Okay. Nirmal Kuadji, a home collection of testing.
Home collection of COVID testing. See, the corporate hospitals are not doing, private hospitals are doing, but you should understand that how safe they have transport your test material. So any issues there in the transport, he manages, probably your sample might not be correct. So try to go to a center and get it tested. There are centers, some private labs are doing it. They're coming home and doing that.
Does steam play any role? Lot of news on, take inhalation, take steam. Does it play any role as a
There is
safety?
nothing. See, again, I tell you, just because you're doing steam, you should not ignore other things. That's what I keep telling you. You do steam, but on top of it, you maintain sanitization, you maintain mask, you maintain social distancing. That's very, very important.
Vishal Bhandari, COVID test should be done if we have all the symptoms of cold, cough to prevent other. Okay, he's answering the question.
This is a small video how we give oxygen. That is, we're supposed to give 60 liters per minute oxygen. So how difficult it is a device we have put in the whatever available thing, and this is how we give 60 liters of oxygen. Combining 30 liters oxygen and 30 liters air, and both are combined, and this is how we give the oxygen. This is this facility, very few hospitals are available, so they are using 2 ports, and 2 patients are getting from 1 port this 60 liters oxygen. If you want to see a small poem by a doctor, what corona not necessary. Okay, this you want to see a small video and then.
Just 1 second. I see one hand raised by Abhay and Sangeeta.
Yes.
Pinto, Sangeeta, you had any question? Okay, she's. I guess that's it. Abhay, all your questions answered, right? Abhay Jain?
Small video.
Yes.
Yeah, all my questions answered.
How long is the video?
Over another 10, 5, 2 seconds.
Okay, let's get that.
Okay.
I think,
Any more
okay,
questions?
so it is about to get disconnected. So all of you can, I have sent my phone number on the chat. आप आपरो ईमेल आईडी मन वटे मेसेज करजो बिकॉज़ चैट मते मेसेज करे अब जूम मीटिंग खत्म वेता चैट जई पिला तो आपरी ईमेल आईडी मु नोट नहीं करे को तो वंस डॉक्टर अंकल मनी प्रेजेंटेशन मिली आपटी मु आपने ईमेल करूला.
So I thank everybody who came, and probably my aim is only to make sure that any one of us, our friends, if they go through COVID, fortunately, unfortunately, we should still can come out, and it's a small attempt by me to make sure that every one of us is protected from this deadly pandemic. And I think we're going to win this pandemic. Human has already won so many pandemics, and this is the last one. And I think we'll win this pandemic again. Thank you very much, everybody.
Couple of questions are there. We will try to wind it up. Oximeter at home, Abhishek Jain, yes, definitely required at home. Plasma therapy cost, someone is asking.
Plasma therapy is investigation is free of cost.
Okay. And any prediction on when this will end? Last question.
Nobody can predict.
Nobody can predict. Rest, everyone is thanking you and thanks a lot for the session. And I have one question from Himmat Malji. I'll call you on that because the meeting is about to get over.